Health-focused AI videos have been blowing up everywhere recently. Most of them are made using just a few AI tools, and the process is actually very simple, yet hardly anyone knows how to do it. One video in this style alone reached over 129 million views. And honestly, you can create these videos too. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. I'll walk you through the full process and give you all the prompts you need to start creating these videos yourself and put everything together step by step. Before we jump in, take a look at this channel. He's pulling insane numbers on TikTok using this exact type of content. You'll see videos hitting 21 million views, 28 million, 20 million, and more. What these creators do really well is turning complicated biological concepts into something easy to understand and visually satisfying. Instead of reading about how the body works, you actually watch it happen, how food gets digested, how the brain responds. The idea isn't just education, it's about making people feel amazed by how the human body works. And the best part? Most of this can be created with AI. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into the first step, creating the images. This part is very simple. All you need to do is screenshot one of the creator's images, open ChatGPT, upload that screenshot, and type a prompt like, "I want a character similar to this." Then ask it to create scene-by-scene image prompts for you to generate visuals. Copy the prompts, press enter, and you're good to go. As you can see, ChatGPT generates a full sequence that shows the journey of an apple inside the human body, from the first bite all the way to how it fuels the brain. It breaks everything down into detailed scenes that visually explain each step of the process. Each scene represents a different stage, how the apple travels through the esophagus, breaks down in the stomach, releases nutrients in the intestines, sends energy through the bloodstream, and finally reaches the brain. To turn these prompts into images, you'll need an image generator. I personally use Dreamina 4.0, but you can use any generator that works for you. The key is getting that clean, anatomical style you see in viral videos. Open Dreamina and click Create on the left side. That takes you to the image creation page. In the prompt box, paste the scene description ChatGPT gave you. To generate scene 1, copy that specific prompt, paste it into the text field, select the new Image Model 4.0, and hit Generate. Dreamina will produce an image with the exact anatomical look we're aiming for. Repeat this process for each scene until all your images are ready. Once you have your still images, it's time to bring them to life with motion. Every viral video in this niche uses animation to stay visually engaging. For this, you'll need an image-to-video tool. I've tested almost all of them, and in my experience, Kling AI delivers the best results. After creating an account, click on the button labeled Video. Start by selecting the 2.1 model and uploading the image for Scene 1. In the prompt section, we need to add motion instructions to get the best animation. After testing hundreds of prompts, I've finally found one that consistently delivers great results. The prompt goes like this.
These prompts are for still images. Can you adapt them for image to video in Kling AI, adding descriptions of movement, camera motion, and lighting to make them suitable for animation?
Now, for each scene, you'll have a custom image-to-video prompt made specifically for Kling AI. Just copy the prompt for that scene, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. Kling AI will turn your image into a smooth, animated video. Repeat this process until every image has been converted into a video clip. Most videos in this niche don't use voiceover, but if you want to monetize properly, adding narration is a smart move. First, we need a script. Don't worry, I've prepared a prompt that consistently generates a perfect script based on the scenes we created. Copy that prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and it will produce a clean, structured 1-minute script ideal for YouTube Shorts. Next, let's turn that script into a voiceover. You'll need a text-to-speech tool, and I recommend using 11 Labs. Choose a voice that matches the tone of your video. Once you find one you like, paste your script into the text box and tweak it if needed until it sounds natural. When you're happy with it, click the download button in the bottom right corner.
When you take that first bite of an apple, your teeth crush the crisp flesh while your saliva mixes in.
Now that everything is ready, it's time to edit. I use CapCut for this step. Start by importing the voiceover you generated in 11 Labs. Drag it onto the timeline and trim out any silent gaps. Then import your video clips and place them in order so they align with the narration. Once the entire voiceover is matched with visuals, add transitions. Open the Transitions tab, pick one you like, and drop it between each clip. Set the duration to 0.5 seconds for a smooth effect. To make your video more engaging, add captions. Captions help retain viewers and make your content stand out. Click the Captions button, select your language, and generate them automatically. Review the text to make sure everything is accurate. You can also enhance the look by choosing one of CapCut's preset caption styles. I went with a faster-paced style for mine. Finally, add background music. Upload a track, place it under your visuals and voiceover, and lower the volume so it doesn't overpower the narration. And that's it. Your edit is complete. Click Export, name your file, and you're ready to upload.
When you take that first bite of an apple, your teeth crush the crisp flesh while your saliva mixes in, starting digestion right in your mouth. You swallow, and the chewed apple travels down the esophagus. Once it reaches your stomach, strong acids and enzymes continue breaking it down into a soft, nutrient-rich liquid called chyme. The apple's fibers slow digestion. Your heart pumps those nutrients throughout the body. Glucose from the apple becomes fuel for your brain and muscles, while antioxidants help protect your cells from damage.
Now that your video is finished, post it and keep going. The first few uploads might not explode, but each one teaches the algorithm more about your audience. Stay patient, stay consistent, and improve with every upload. Because once the algorithm understands your content, that's when everything changes.